With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, electric fuse does not need replacement. Whenever circuit gets overloaded, the components of fuse sense it and put the circuit in off position. Answer is, while using fuse, whenever overloading occurs, the fuse wire melts and it has to be replaced to complete the circuit. These days, miniature circuits breakers, MCBs, are switches that turn off automatically when there is an overload or a short circuit. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you for listening.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.